What's going on, guys? It's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everyone. I just figured I'd film the installation of one of the gifts my girlfriend got me today. I'll show you guys what that is right here. So one of the gifts she got me was actually these whip lights for side-by-sides. So I'm gonna film installing these, and I'll post a video of what they look like once they're all done and lit up. I don't know why, but whenever I record above these LED lights, it makes a bunch of black lines in the video, so I'm going to try this one. But I think what our game plan is going to... Is that the cat again?
They're literally at the door. Like, he wants to come down here. And I would let them, but there's too much, you know? Yeah.
So the cats are going nuts upstairs, but my original game plan was to install them into here, but they're going to wind up being too tall. With all the trails we go through and everything. So this actually has these brackets here from a guard that was here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually drill out this hole a little bit bigger to accommodate these holders right here for the whip lights. I got both the whips in place right now. Now it's just going to be a matter of figuring out where I'm going to run the wires inside the side-by-side. So I'll try to figure that out right now. I think what I'll do is I might just drill this hole out a little bit bigger so this can fit up through here, and then this can plug right into there. All right, so I got the wires ran. I still have to tuck them up and everything. I ran them up through there, and then I went in through the back here behind the seat. Now I'm going into the fuse panel. I'm going to loom all this so it's nice. I'm going to tuck everything away and put the right connectors on it. So I'll check back in then. Alright guys, I still have some wire tucking to do, but for the meantime, I actually decided to run it to the same switch that my sound bar is on. I didn't want to drill another hole for another switch. So the switch power is coming from my sound bar switch. I have my rock lights on right now. I have them on voice activation or music mode, but I got a couple other things to finish up here, but I'm too excited, so I'll show the first unveiling with everyone here. Turn out these lights. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, that's awesome. Ooh, the purple slaps. The purple's nice. Got different modes on here. Jeez, that looks freaking cool. See what else we got on here. Wow, I love it. I think it looks awesome. Wow, flexible. I like the mounting spot too. I was able to utilize the brackets that were right here. I'd like to put a grommet in here. That's what I plan on doing. Yeah, but they look awesome. I'll have to get a video of these outside or something at some point, because they're like lightsabers coming off this thing. They light up the whole garage. It's awesome though. I'm real happy with them. So the plan is for tomorrow to take the side-by-side out. I spoke with Tyler tonight. We're gonna try to arrange something to get these things out tomorrow. So hopefully on the trail tomorrow I can get some footage, and I can also get some nice videos and pictures of this thing with all the lights on and everything. So Tyler's here right now. We put some stuff on his side-by-side. I didn't get videos of that, but he's loading up his side-by-side right now onto his truck to bring it back to his house, and we're gonna take mine and we're gonna meet him at the pond. Ready?
Oh yeah.
Mine?
No, the garage door. She was dead. Jeep came in handy, didn't it? So we got the side-by-side started. It was dead. We jumped it with her Jeep. So now we're gonna go meet Tyler at the pond. We're at the meeting spot right now, just waiting for Tyler. Frozen, sorry, our lips are frozen too. We're pretty much just waiting on him to get here. So I'm just hanging out here. Frozen pond, frozen all the way through. I don't know if we're gonna bring the side-by-side on it though. I'm not sure. The side-by-side weighs It probably weighs more than me. Maybe not. But I don't, pretty, it's pretty solid, but, not saying much, because, I don't know, maybe, but I don't know how I'll get back off it if I get the thing on there. This thing's looking good right now. Got the whips on. I don't have the rock lights on, though. I'm sure when it gets darker, these will look even better. Alright, we think we hear him, because he's loud and obnoxious. Just came through here, fell through the ice and got stuck, and it's like a ledge right here. It's actually, the camera doesn't do it justice, but it was hard to get up and over this. So this is all broken up now, but now Tyler has to come back across here, so I don't know what he's gonna do yet. I don't know if we're gonna bring the side-by-side on it though. I'm not sure.
I don't know if we're gonna bring the side-by-side on it though. Not sure.
I just felt the ice crack. I'm out. Nice balls. Nice balls. The nicest of balls. Ooh. Ooh. Next stop, Kittatinny, right? Yep. Yes, sir. No, don't.
Jump.
Stupid. All right, brother. Be safe, all right?
You too, man.
All right, I'll catch you later.
You got a hike ahead of you.
Oh, I know. Well, that's a wrap for tonight. We've been out pretty much most of the day. The whips held in great. Worked very well. I wanted to get more riding footage, but it was hard because my one camera died when we were out on the trail. And also it's hard to record when you're trying to navigate. But all in all, I'd like to get more footage of it, and it was a blast. And everything went good. Now that I'm back home and the side-by-side is tucked away, I gotta get the Audi in before I sign off. So with that being said, I'm very cold. Let me know if you guys like this one. Give me some suggestions. Tell me how you feel about it. And I plan on getting more riding footage in the near future here soon. This is kind of a last minute decision thing, but I think it turned out pretty good. So I'll see you in the next one.